Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Sean from TechDodoWebs.com and YouTube Conscious MP. I just wanted to do a quick video for you guys today of how to set up the Beats Studio Buds. So we'll get started, and you should be able to flip open the case. They should pull up, but if they don't, then you will need to hold this button down to be able to get them to pull up. But as you can see here, it says these are not your Beats Studio Buds because I have it wiped from my history on my iPad. So I'm just gonna hit connect. And this is press and hold the button for 5 seconds. It says connecting. And now I'm connected. Now it shows you the case as well as the Beats Studio Buds. Very similar to AirPods. Just not as good at switching between devices because they don't have that W1 and H1 chip. So I hit done. And now they are all set up. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, feel free to drop them off in the comments. Hope this helped, and I'll talk to you guys in a later video.